So back a brand new product for this one is from Thermacell. This is a E-ZoneGuard Patio Max. This produces the largest repelled mosquito zone of any device guaranteed by the EPA. It has been tested, it's been proved. Let's open this up and talk a little bit about what comes inside the box. So inside the box we have looks to be a manual that's taped to the item, talking about the Patio Max. It says you can register to extend your warranty coverage. That's nice of them. We have, I think this is part of the charging base. That looks like an actual user guide. A refill. Then we have the actual device. There we go. Inside this box, we have the power cord, then the quick dock for recharging. So you would take this, plug this in here, and then when you're not using it, you can simply just place this down on this magnetic base. Slightly magnetic, not enough to hold the full weight, but enough to quick connect it, and that will recharge it, giving you that continuous use that you have with that, which is really awesome. It looks like this one did not come with a additional one. If you can't find your charging pad, you can always just open up this compartment here and plug directly in to give it that extra charge that you need. So when you put the lid on, it will be able to turn on. When the lights are chasing, running around, that means that it is currently warming up. It takes 15 minutes to get to full heat to allow the full release. Now there's no smoke, there's no fire, it's all electrical based. Once all those 4 dots are solid, it means it's active. And then also the 3 dots on the bottom will indicate the battery life. 1 dot, 2 dot, and 3 dot illuminates means how full the battery is charged. When the battery is dying, it will be red. If it's about to die completely, it'll blink red on that first dot. And then all 3 dots will be illuminated when it's fully charged, which is really solid. Holding will turn it off. The lid just pops right up. It's also kind of a magnetic type of seal to it. To replace the package, this is 36 hours of repellent juice in here, so you don't have to worry about that. You just unscrew this cap here, pull this off to release the kind of the wet wick, place that in there, and then this device goes right on top. Easy peasy. The device itself will absorb and remove the chemicals out of there and then activate it. It's, again, non-DEET, it's proprietary formula, and that will give you a 20-foot radius once fully activated in 15 minutes that will keep mosquitoes away from you. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, we're going to put this outside, we're going to activate this, show you what it looks like when it's active, and then tell you our thoughts about it. We'll be right back. So before we go, I do want to say the smell off it is very nominal. You don't really notice that much of an odor that's caused by it. It's very easy to use, and on top of that, it's very helpful. I do also want to make sure it's very clear everyone knows this is an outdoor use item only. No interior use, not designed to be used inside your home. Unfortunately, that is not what it's intended for. It's better to be used outdoors. It's what it's intended for. So hopefully you guys found that helpful. Hopefully you guys picked it up for you for your next barbecue, picnic, or any outdoor fun event. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.